In this video, I'm going to show you how to export data from cTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do here on your chart, you want to go to the top, you want to click on this button, and then you want to click on Trade Watch to enable it. Now, down here, you can see your account positions, orders, and history. And to be able to export the data, you first must have some history. So as you can see here, I have some history in my account. There's a bunch of different trades from today on my demo account. And then what you have to do is over here, you want to go to period. You can switch between period and dates. So we could go and only export data for today, yesterday, current week, month, previous month, and then the last 3, 6, or 12 months. So it's up to you. Of course, you could also do all the history, or you can click on this, click over here on this check mark or kind of a circle, and then you can change and select the date within which you actually want to export data from. So we can select the date range, and then you're good to go. I'm just going to do all history for now, and then you can do statement over here. You want to click on this arrow down, and you can select how you want to export it. So you can do HTML or XLSX. So it's up to you, whichever one you want. This is going to be Excel, and this one is HTML. I'm just going to do both of them, and then just click on statement, and this is going to open up your folder on your computer where you can see your exported XTM or, of course, an HTML file, and then the XLSX or Excel as well. So if I click and open any of these, it's going to show me my data, my exported data inside Excel or inside HTML. So that's essentially how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.